Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, today as you all know that we are going to do our spelling power. So please take out your spelling power book and turn to page number 7. Chapter number 2, matching words. Before starting with this chapter, I would like to ask you all that have you all completed your previous work which was given in this book? Good. And if you have not done, so please complete that work as soon as possible, children. Okay. Now, chapter number 2, matching words. In this, what you have to do that circle the right word which matches with the picture. Now here are some pictures given and there are 2 words given, and you according to the picture you have to select the word for that picture. As the first one is done for you. So in the first picture this is a chain and we have given 2 words, chain and rain. So according to the picture this is chain, so we will put a tick on the word. We will put a tick in front of the word chain. Is that clear? So in this way we will do others also. Now in this picture you can see some girls are standing and in front of these girls there are some books kept. Okay. So the 2 words which you are given are lead and red. So lead, this is not lead. Lead means the part of a pencil from which you write. Okay. So this is not lead. This is red. They are reading the book. So red. So we will put a tick in front of the word red. Is that clear? Now this is a man who is pointing something and speaking. So sneak or speak. So the correct answer is speak. He is speaking something. We will put a tick. Now coming to the next. As you can see, a girl is sleeping on the bed. So there are 2 words given, sleep or weep. Sleep means Sona, weep means Rona. Okay. So sleep or weep, what is she doing? She is sleeping. So the right word is sleep. We will put a tick in front of the word sleep. Now, in the second, this is a picture of a shirt. Okay. So there are 2 words given, shirt or first. What is the right answer? Shirt. So you will put a tick in front of the word shirt. Now in this picture, stool or spoon, what is the image? In this image what you can see, this is a spoon. So we will put a tick in front of spoon. Okay. Now next part, rest, test. So in this picture you can see the boy is giving a test. He is writing something, so he is giving a test. But he is not doing rest. He is giving the test. So the test word is the correct answer. So we will put a tick. Now these are some paints. Paints are used to make some kind of paintings. Okay. We draw paintings with the help of paints. So this is not faint, this is paint. So we will write we will put a tick in front of the correct answer, that is paint. Now the last word is cloud or loud. As you can see in the picture, this is a picture of clouds. Okay. So cloud is the correct answer. We will put a tick. Is that clear? So page number 7. It is very easy for you all to complete. You can complete this this page easily. Okay. Now turn the page to page number 8. In this page what you have to do, write new words by replacing the letter of the alphabet as mentioned below. There are some letters given in red color. you have to write with this word. Okay, you have to replace some letters and you have to write these letters and make 3 words. Replace the first letter in rain with M, G and P. हमें replace क्या करना है? First letter. It is mentioned here that we have to replace. हमें क्या हटाना है? First letter. तो first letter in this it is given. In the word rain, the first letter is R. So we will remove R. Okay, we will remove R and we will write M here. So the word will become main. Then we will again replace M and we will write G. So the word will become gain. Then we will replace G with P and we will write P here. So it will become pain. Is that clear? So the first word will be with the letter M. Okay. So M will be. Now children, we will write M. We will replace R and we will write M. So we will make the word like this. Okay. See what how I am writing. First letter will be M. Okay. Then A, I, N. So the word will become main. Okay. Here we will replace R. R को हटा के हमने M लगा दिया. Okay. यहाँ पे तो A, I, N as it is लिखेंगे. तो word will become main. Now we will write the word we will write the letter G and we will make the word with this. Okay. So in place of R we will write G, A, I, N, gain. Okay. Then last letter is P. So we will write P, A, I, N, pain. So 3 words will be formed in this way. Okay. Now coming to the second question. Replace the first letter in rest with B, N, P. Okay. So हमें first letter फिर से हमें replace करके B लगाना है, फिर replace करके N लगाना है, फिर हटा के हमें P लगाना है. So the 3 words will be BEST, best. First word will be with the letter B. It will be like this. BEST, best. Then NEST, nest. Then PEST, pest. So there are 3 words, best, nest and pest. These 3 words will be formed by adding these 3 letters. Okay. Now the third question. Replace the first letter in paint with F, T, S. फर्स्ट लेटर इसमें भी हमें रिप्लेस करना है और F लगाना है, T लगाना है और S लगाना है. ओके. तो फर्स्ट लेटर विल बी F, then A, I, N, T, faint. Then we will replace P with T. So here we will write first letter T, A, I, N, T, taint. Then S, S, A, I, N, T, saint. Is that clear? So these are 3 new words formed from this word. Okay. Now next fourth question is replace the first letter in deer with B, L and P. Deer में से L, D हटा के हमें ये 3 letters add करने हैं. Like first word will be bear, layer and PEER, pear. Okay. This will be like this. Now replace the first letter in weep with BKP. इसमें भी हमें first letter replace करके ये 3 letters बनाने. So in place of weep we will write, in place of W we will write B. So the word will become BEEP, beep. Then here second letter is K. So we will write K-E-E-P, keep. Then the third letter is P. P-E-E-P, peep. Is that clear? Now, replace the first two letters in spoon with M-N-S. So, the word is spoon, S-P. We will replace both the letters, S-P हटा के हम लगा देंगे M. So, the word will become M-O-O-N, moon. Then we will replace M with N, so N-O-O-N, nu. Next is S, so we will write S-O-O-N, soon. So this is the way the three words will be formed from these three letters. Okay. Now, seventh question. Again replace the first letter in beat with H and S. तो B की जगह हम लगाएंगे H. So the word will be H-E-A-T, heat. Then we will replace it with N. So N-E-A-T, neat. Then last S. So we will replace the word N with S. S-E-A-T, seat. Okay. So these three words will be formed. Eighth question. Replace first two letters in sneak with B-L-P. अब S-N-E-A-K स्नीक है तो फर्स्ट टू लेटर्स हमें हटाने हैं. ये फर्स्ट टू S और N और उसकी जगह हमें B, L और P लिखना है. ओके. सो फर्स्ट लेटर विल बी रिप्लेस्ड विद B. सो वी विल राइट B-E-A-K, beak. Then L-E-A-K, leak. Then P-E-A-K, peak. So again these three new words are formed from these three new letters. Okay. Last one, replace the first two letters in stool with C-F-P. Stool word में से हम S-T, फर्स्ट टू लेटर्स S-T हटा देंगे और C-F और P लगाएंगे. इन तीनों लेटर्स से तीन अलग वर्ड्स हम बनाएंगे. सो स्टूल में से S-T हटा के हम C लगाएंगे. सो द वर्ड विल बी C-O-O-L, cool. Then second letter F-O-O-L, fool. Then third letter P-O-O-L, pool. Okay. So this is your exercise number 2 on page number 8. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood these two exercises. They are very easy. So write it very carefully, and if you don't understand anything, repeat the video, and again if you don't understand, then ask me through your comment box. Okay. The work should be done on time. You should complete your work very neatly. Okay, very carefully. Until my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.